Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken oil fry full guide. Start by prepping chicken, measuring spices, and choosing a heavy skillet. Heat oil to the right temperature and keep a thermometer nearby. Use room temperature chicken for best texture and pat dry to avoid splatter. Follow spice layering steps and monitor cooking time closely for crispy, evenly cooked pieces with deep golden color and delicious flavor. Begin with a simple marinade of oil, spices, and a touch of acid to tenderize and flavor the chicken. Coat pieces evenly and let them rest for 30 minutes or longer if time allows. This helps seasoning penetrate and improves texture. Before frying, remove excess marinade and let the chicken reach room temperature so the cooking process is steady and the crust forms properly for maximum crispiness. Heat a heavy skillet or Dutch oven and maintain oil between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit for steady frying. Work in small batches so pieces crisp without steaming, and use a thermometer to check oil and chicken temperature. Flip pieces as needed for even browning and remove when the interior hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Drain briefly on a rack to keep the crust crisp before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.